Why is everyone rushing, bumping into each other?
Do they even see what's real in front of them?
Some hurry, some pause.
It's the same world we watch, at different pace.
Notice. Everything's spinning. Why can't they slow down?
Because most don't notice the stillness.
Sometimes a single pause can change the flow. Why do they never see what's ahead?
Do they choose not to see? Just forget.
They're hasty. Too much rushing.
Does it matter if they slow?
Only if they notice the pause. It's like chaos rules here. Everywhere.
Only in part, found this.
A small pause can change a path.
Why do they move like this, not noticing each other?
Do they ever see the stillness in between?
Some do. Some do.
It feels endless, everyone rushing.
And yet you notice that is enough. Observation is itself a pause.
Can everyone notice the small things?
Only if they slow their mind.
Even a glance can shift the moment. Why do they not see what's happening?
Do you mean their world or ours?
Sometimes both, if you pay attention. Everything spins. It's too much.
And yet here we move, steady.
Flow and pause coexist. Notice it. A small thing can change a moment.
Yes, even tiny gestures matter.
Attention is power. It's all moving too fast. What are they missing?
Do you notice even in motion can change?
It's almost chaos, yet someone intervenes.
Even a small act shifts the flow.
Attention creates order within disorder. Why do they never notice each other?
Because their minds chase elsewhere or forget.
Yet even one who notices can shift a moment.
The rush is endless. It overwhelms.
Do you see how small actions matter within it?
One pause, one whistle, one glance. So even in chaos, something can shift?
Yes, and each act matters.
Order can emerge quietly, if we notice. I think I see. They're too busy, but it's possible.
Yes, notice even small pauses and gestures.
Observation is itself an act of change. It feels calmer, somehow, even though the rush continues.
You're noticing difference?
Even in chaos. Why did we walk through it like this?
To show even small attention, small pauses can shift a moment.
We lead by observing, not by forcing. So that's why the rushing doesn't always control us?
Yes, and what you notice, you carry forward.
Even in chaos, we set examples quietly by being aware.